Do you want to have great relationships? In this class, you will learn to recognize characteristics of healthy relationships. In addition, you will also explore various relationships: friendship, dating, marriage, and family.
We go through friendship, dating, marriage relationships, family relationships. Basically, the whole, the idea there is for the students to understand what it takes to have healthy relationships.
We don't necessarily talk solely about dating and marriage, but we talk about independent living, and we talk about relationships, and we do talk about marriage in different perspectives.
The course also includes information about self-esteem, communication skills, family structures, and dealing with crisis.